So good morning students. Today we are going to start our second chapter of our literature book Honeydew. The name of the chapter is The Tsunami. Now before reading the chapter they have given you a map and a few sentences. You can see on the left side islands are given to you, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Indian Ocean, right? And there are a few sentences which they ask you to check if they are correct or not. So the first sentence is Kachol is an island. It is true, right? It is a part of Andaman group of islands. No, it is part of Nicobar group of islands. Nankauri is an island in the Nicobar group. That's correct. Kachol and Nankauri are more than 100 miles apart. No, it is less than 100 miles apart. Then we have the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are to the west of India. No, they are to the east of India. The Nicobar Islands are to the north of the Andaman Islands. No, they are to the south of Andaman Islands. So I hope that now it is clear to you from the title of the chapter, the tsunami, and the sentences which you have read, that what this topic is all about. Yes, this is all about a tsunami, a wave that came and destructed and destroyed thousands of people's lives, nature, and killed many animals. So let us start reading the chapter. A tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquake under the sea. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival. Now, in this chapter, what we are going to read is during the tsunami, during that destruction, there were a few people who were able to survive, and moreover, there were people who saved the other people also. So, in this chapter, we are going to read the stories of those brave people who saved the lives of others when tsunami hit. So these stories are in the first passage, in the first part of the chapter, we'll read the stories from Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. It means a group of many islands and the surrounding sea. Right? It's a group of many islands. उस अंडमान एंड निकोबार में जितने भी islands थे, group of islands था, उसमें जो लोगों ने save के life, the ones who survived, उनकी stories हम पढ़ेंगे. Ignatius was a manager of a cooperative society in Kachal. Cooperative society means the people who came together and worked for the society. He was a manager there. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. He was sleeping, but his wife at 6 o'clock in the morning woke him up because she felt that there was an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. When they felt earthquake, what Ignatius did, he picked up the television set from the table and kept it on the ground so that with the shake of the earth, it should not fall down. When the tremors stopped, tremors means jhatke, a slight shake, right? झटके जो थे, जब वो रुके, अर्थक्वेक के झटके जो रुके थे, दे सॉ द सी राइजिंग. देन व्हाट डिड दे सी? पानी जो था, सी राइजिंग का मतलब यहाँ पे समुद्र में जितना पानी था, इट स्टार्टेड राइजिंग अप. इन द chaos एंड confusion, two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. अब इस chaos and confusion means complete disorder and confusion. उस confusion की state में उसके दो बच्चों ने, किसके, इग्निशियस के दो बच्चों ने किसका हाथ पकड़ा? Their mother's father, right? एक ने अपने ग्रैंड फादर का हैंड पकड़ा और दूसरे ने अपने मेटर्नल अंकल का. मदर्स ब्रदर है तो मेटर्नल अंकल हुआ. एंड दे रश्ड इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन, दोनों ही ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में भागे. ही नेवर सॉ देम अगेन, और उसके बाद ही डिडंट गेट अ चांस टू सी देम. मे बी दे वर लॉस्ट, maybe they died, because after that incident he never saw them again. His wife was also swept away means gone with the water, with the wave of the water. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. And the other three children who came with Ignatius, only they were saved from that destructive tsunami. Now, this was the story of first person Ignatius. Now, we are going to read the courageous story of second person, that is Sanjeev. Sanjeev was a policeman serving in Kachal Island of the Nicobar groups of islands. He somehow managed to save himself. Management, somehow he was able to save himself, his wife, and his baby daughter from the waves. He could save his family, but then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. When he saved himself, he heard the cries of John's wife. And who was John? The guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her. Rescue means to save her, but they were both swept away. But Sanjeev and cook's wife, they were both gone away with the water. Next story is of Meghna, a 13-year-old girl. She was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She spent 2 days floating in the sea. Floating means flowing on the surface, holding on to the wooden door. How was she able to float on the surface? Because she held the wooden door. 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead, but they did not see her. She was able to see the relief helicopters. Relief helicopters, the helicopters bringing help to the people. She saw those helicopters for 11 times, but she could not reach to them because they did not see Meghna. She was brought to the shore by a wave and was found walking on the seashore in a daze. और वो seashore पे कैसे आई? With a wave, with a heavy wave, with a giant wave, she came to the seashore and she was seen walking on the seashore, means on the sea beach, in a daze. In a daze means in a state of confusion. Next story is of Alma Javed, was 10-year old. This is a story of Alma's Javed. She was 10 years old. She was a student of Caramel Convent in Port Blair when her father had a petrol where her father had a petrol pump. Her mother Rahila's home was in Non-Kauri Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. Now this story of a 10-year-old Alma who was a student of Caramel Convent in Port Blair, where in Port Blair his father lived and he had his own petrol pump, but her mother had a home in Non-Kerry Island, and the family got together to celebrate Christmas. When the Turmers came early in the morning, the family was sleeping. Alma's father saw the sea water recede. Recede means moving back from where it was. Right? Recede matlab वापस जाते हुए देखना. He understood that the water would come rushing back with a great force. When he saw that the water in the sea was moving back, he understood that now water will come again with a great force. He woke everyone up and tried to rush them to a safer place. Now he realized that something dangerous is going to happen, so he woke everyone up and he asked them to go to a safer place. As they ran, her grandfather was hit on the head by something and he fell down. वो जैसे ही भाग रहे थे, उसके grandfather, किसके grandfather? Alma के. उनके सर पे कुछ लगा and he fell down there. Her father rushed to help him. Then came a first giant wave that swept both of them away. When his father went to help Alma's grandfather, a giant wave, giant means huge, बहुत बड़ी वेव आई और दोनों को अपने साथ बहाकर ले गई. Alma's mother and aunt stood clinging to the leaves of coconut tree, calling out to her. A wave uprooted the tree and they too were washed away. और आलमा के जो मदर और उसकी आंट थे, उन्होंने लीव्स ऑफ कोकोनट ट्री को क्लिंच किया हुआ था, मतलब गेटिंग होल्ड विद फोर्स, जोर से पकड़ के रखा हुआ था. पर एक वेव आई, अ हेवी वेव केम और उसने क्या किया? अपरूट कर दिया उस ट्री को, जड़ से उखाड़ दिया. एंड बोथ ऑफ देम वर आल्सो वॉश्ड अवे. आलमा सॉ अ लॉग ऑफ वुड फ्लोटिंग. आलमा ने क्या किया? एक लॉग ऑफ वुड देखा जो फ्लोट कर रहा था. शी क्लाइम्ड ऑन टू इट, देन शी फेंटेड. वो उस लॉग ऑफ वुड के ऊपर क्लाइम कर गई एंड आफ्टर दैट शी डजंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड, शी fainted. When she woke up, she was in a hospital in Kamarta. Camerota, where there she was brought to पोर्ट ब्लेयर. तो जब वो अपने सेंसेस में आई तो वो एक हॉस्पिटल में थी एंड देन शी वाज ब्रॉट बैक टू Port Blair. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is still traumatized. Traumatized means greatly shocked. वो अभी भी उस इंसिडेंट से ग्रेटली शॉक्ड थी. दैट इज व्हाई शी डिड नॉट वांट टू टॉक टू anyone. So in the first part of the chapter we have read the stories of Ignatius, Sanjeev, Meghna, a 13-year-old girl, Alma Javed, a student, and yes, these four stories we have read in part 1 of the chapter. Now coming to the part 2 of the chapter, and in this we are going to read about Tilly Smith. Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket Beach in Thailand. So Tilly was able to save so many lives. Though she has won a number of awards, her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed on television and made into a heroine. Why do you think they took that decision? Tilly Smith, she was a girl who studied in British school and she was able to save so many people's life, and she won so many awards. But her parents did not allow anyone to take her interview and make her a heroine because she saved so many lives. They might have their own. I'm thinking about this process, so they avoided the process of their daughter being interviewed. Now here is a story from Thailand. So अब ये जो stories हम read करने जा रहे हैं वो कहाँ से है? Thailand से. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at the beach resort in southern Thailand. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7 years old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. So this is all about family of Tilly Smith. She had a 7 years old sister and the parents whose name were Penny and Colin Smith. It was 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. Deadly means fatal, means बहुत घातक. Tsunami waves जो थी वो they were on their way. They had been triggered. Triggered means caused by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. अब वो जो सुनामी का कारण क्या था कि अर्थक्वेक की जो मैसिव अर्थक्वेक था उसके कारण वो वेव्स जो थी वाटर वेव्स जो थी वो ट्रिगर हुई और सुनामी आई. The water was swelling and kept coming up. Swelling and kept coming up means coming above the level. पानी बढ़ता ही गया. The level of water went on increasing. Penny Smith remembered. Penny Smith means mother. Mother still remembers उस दिन क्या हुआ था and she is narrating that incident. She said that in the morning जो पानी था वो अपने it was coming above the level. The beach was getting smaller and smaller. The beach was getting smaller and smaller का मतलब जब पानी आगे आगे बढ़ता आएगा तो obviously जो बीच एरिया है वो स्मॉलर होता जाएगा. I don't know what was happening. And Penny says that she doesn't know what was happening at that time. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. But Tilly ने ये guess कर लिया था. Sensed means guessed that something was wrong. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. Now, when she saw that the sea water was rising above this level, she remembered her geography lesson. She learned that lesson just 2 weeks before when she was in her school, before coming to Thailand with her family. So all those things came in her mind. Tilly saw the sea slowly rise. अब Tilly ने क्या देखा? That the sea was slowly rising and start to form bubble and form whirlpools. और क्या हो रहा था वहाँ पे? पानी के जो बबल्स बन रहे थे और whirlpool बन रहा था. Whirlpool मतलब water in swift circular motion. You might have seen water in swift circular motion. उसको हम कहते हैं whirlpool. She remembered that she had seen this in class in a video of a tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian island in 1946. Now she could relate what she was seeing with the chapter which she read in her class, and she was shown a video by her teacher about the tsunami which hit the Hawaiian island in 1946. उसने already वो video देखी हुई थी, and when she saw कि sea में bubbles बन रहे हैं, whirlpool बन रहा है, she could relate the present thing with the lesson she had learned. Her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunami can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes and landslides. और उसने बताया कि जो सुनामी है, व्हाट आर द रीजंस, इट कैन बी कॉज्ड अर्थक्वेक्स के कारण, वॉल्केनिक इरप्शंस के कारण, या फिर लैंडस्लाइड के कारण. इट मीन्स डिस्टर्बेंस इन द सी के कारण जो है सुनामी occurs. Tilly started to scream at her family to get off the beach. अब टिली ने क्या किया? She started shouting at her family कि इस बीच से चले जाओ. She talked about an earthquake under the sea, and she told them that there was an earthquake, there is going under the sea, and there will be destruction. She got more and more hysterical. Hysterical होता है uncontrollably agitated, means आप शाउट करते हैं, यू आर वाइल्डली एक्साइटेड एंड यू डोंट हैव कंट्रोल ओवर योरसेल्फ, दैट इज स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग हिस्टेरिकल. सेड हर मदर पेन, और उसकी मदर क्या बता रही है कि उस टाइम पे जो पेन दिस टिली थी, शी वाज हिस्टेरिकली बिहेविंग. She was just shouting that there is sea under the water and she wanted her family to get off that beach. I didn't know what a tsunami was. Who is saying this? Penny, mother of Tilly. She said that I didn't know what a tsunami was, but seeing my daughter so frightened, I thought something serious must be going on. But जब मैंने अपनी बेटी को इतना frightened देखा, when she saw that Tilly was frightened, she thought that something bad was, something dangerous was going to happen. Means she trusted Tilly, her behavior, and she took action. Tilly's parents took her and her sister away फ्रॉम द बीच. अब टिली के पेरेंट्स ने उसको और उसके सिस्टर को वहाँ बीच से ले गए. टू दिस, कहाँ ले गए? टू द स्विमिंग पूल एट द होटल. होटल के स्विमिंग पूल. A number of other tourists also left the beach with them. Then it was as if the entire sea had come out after them. I was screaming, run. तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ? जैसे ही दे रीच देयर स्विमिंग पूल ऑफ द होटल, मैनी अदर टूरिस्ट ऑल्सो फॉलोड देम. और जैसे ही वो वहाँ पे पहुँचे तो ऐसे लगा जैसे एंटायर सी, पूरा समुद्र का पानी जो था उनका पीछा करता हुआ वहाँ तक पहुँच गया. आई वाज स्क्रीमिंग, मैं शाउट कर रही थी, स्क्रीम कर रही थी. What was she screaming? Run, भागो यहाँ से. The family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. And where did they take the shelter? Refuge means shelter, on the third floor of the hotel. The building withstood the surge of 3 tsunami waves. और उस building ने, withstood means endured, सहन किया. सर्ज मीन्स फोर्स. उस बिल्डिंग में, जिस बिल्डिंग पे टिली एंड अदर पीपल वर देयर, दैट बिल्डिंग endured the force of tsunami waves. सहन की उस बिल्डिंग ने सुनामी वेव्स की सुनामी की पावरफुल वेव्स को सहन किया. इफ दे हैड स्टेड ऑन द बीच दे वुड नॉट हैव बीन अलाइव. और अगर वो उस बीच पे रहते तो वो जिंदा नहीं बचते. The Smiths later met other tourists who had lost entire families. उसके बाद स्मिथ फैमिली जो थी अदर टूरिस्ट से भी मिली जिन्होंने उस सुनामी में अपनी एंटायर फैमिली को लूज कर दिया था. थैंक्स टू टिली एंड हर ज्योग्राफी लेसन, they had been forewarned. Forewarned means got advanced warning. अब वो किस चीज़ को थैंक्स कर रहे हैं? They are thankful to Tilly and her geography lesson, the education which she got, because just seeing the signs, they were warned in advance so they could save their lives. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmates her terrifying tale. Tilly जब वापस स्कूल गई अपने फ्रेंड्स के पास इंग्लैंड में, so she talked about the terrifying means frightening, बहुत डरी हुई स्टोरी. I mean, listening to a thing is listening to an incident is a separate thing, and facing that incident is separate thing. So when you face something, so you get terrified. right? You get frightened. You can't skip those memories out of your mind for days or for years also. So she told the story to her friends in the school. So today we'll read up to this page. We'll continue our chapter tomorrow.